Hey guys, good evening to all of you. Hope you all are well and be safe in home. So guys, in this video, I will share with you a recent job openings from Australia. So if you were looking for a abroad job, please keep watching this video till the end and let's know what is the recent job openings from Australia and how to apply and what is the eligibility criteria and what is the educational qualifications requirements to apply for this job and what is the jobs from Australia. So let's start. The first step is automotive mechanic and required in Australia. So let's know what is the job descriptions. Automotive mechanic for Mercedes-Benz and European cars in Australia. We are currently seeking a qualified and experienced mechanic for a new auto workshop operations. You should have experience as an automotive mechanic on Mercedes-Benz cars with full knowledge of diagnosing, maintaining, repairing Mercedes-Benz cars. Educational skills, diploma, degree, mechanical, automobiles. Minimum 4 to 6 years of experience requirements in the relevant field. English requirements, IELTS General 6.0. So this is the basic needs to apply for this job. You should have the qualifications as a mechanical in diploma or degree, and you should have minimum 4 to 6 years of experience, and you should have the IELTS result 6.0 bands. Then only you can apply for this job. Job application details. Interested candidates send their resume and experience certificates along with latest passport size photo. Only shortlisted candidates will be contacted. No phone interviews will be considered. Contact details. As you can see here, this is the official email ID. If you have the proper qualifications, proper experience, and also the IELTS score as 6.0 bands, then please forward your all documents, experience certificates and resumes to the given official email ID. So let's move to next job. Strawberry pickers required in Australia. To work as a strawberry pickers, you should have the before experience you should have, and also you should have proper knowledge about this job. A farmer in the Covalchar area is seeking the services of additional strawberry pickers for an immediate start. Applicants must have the availability to work full-time hours but is subject to change. You must have your own reliable transport, be physically fit and have the ability to work in a variety of weather conditions. Accommodations may be provided after discussions with the farmer. This position will be paid at a fixed rate as per the horticulture awarded. To apply for the positions, please email a copy of your resume to the given official email ID. The vacancy ID also in front of you. Only successful candidates will be contacted. So guys, to work as a strawberry pickers, you need to send your all documents to the given official email ID, and if you're really eligible for that, you will get a notifications to proceed for the visa and to get the job. So let's move to next job. Assembly worker required in Australia. FlexiForce is researching for assembly workers for placements in Vietnam. So this company is looking for assembly workers. Our client would prefer experience in a manufacturing environment. This job involves the assembly of electrical and hydraulic products into concrete and fiberglass classes. A forklift license is also required. We will offer an immediate start to the successful applicants. The usual days of work are a full-time on a casual basis from Monday to Friday. The usual hours of work from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. If you are interested to apply for this job, get your resume to the given official email ID. So guys, you should have the proper qualifications and experience to apply for this job, and if you are interested to apply for this job and if you have the proper qualifications and experience, apply by sending your updated CV with all certificates to the given official email ID. Please keep in mind there is only one way to apply, that is you need to send your all documents by the given official email ID. If your CV will be shortlisted, you will get contacted for the next process. So today in this video I already shared with you different job openings from Australia, like assembly worker, strawberry pickers and automotive mechanic. 3 recent job openings from Australia. For which job you want to apply, please apply as soon as possible. Before you apply, you should know what is the eligibility criteria, what is the basic requirements to apply for this job. If you are fulfilling the basic requirements by the employer to apply for this job, you can apply as soon as possible, and you can proceed for the visa, and you can proceed for the job, and you can move Australia with the jobs. I hope you will get a chance to move Australia with the jobs. First of all, you need to follow the process step by steps. First of all, you need to collect these informations, then check your profiles, check your qualifications and experience. If you're matching with this, then you can apply by sending your updated CV to give an official email ID. After you sending your CV, if your CV will be shortlisted, of course you will get a chance to attend the interview. After that, you will get a chance to move Australia with your jobs. So guys, hope this information will be very helpful to your friends, your relatives, and for you also. So please share this information to your friends and relatives and the persons who want a abroad job, and apply as soon as possible. Now the COVID-19 is going on, still there is some emergency vacancies. So if you are interested, you can apply and you can proceed for the visa. The time for interview and proceed visa and time for flying, they will let you inform. But first of all, you need to apply by the email ID, and after that you have to face the interview. After that, you will get the process informations. So hope you will give a chance to move Australia with jobs, and this information will be utilized for your careers. So again, lots of thanks for your valuable time for watching this video to the end. And in the next video, we will meet with a recent job openings from another country. Up to that, stay with me. God bless you. Bye bye and be safe. Thank you.